oye bakhathazwa yini?
Nguwe indoda.
Indoda yakhathaza. Ufuna ukuze lapho ngiyakhathaza. Kathi
Sometimes we khathala when I get tired.
ukuthi ukhathaza in a nice way. If you understand what I mean.
Yeah, my guy.
If you understand what I mean.
So now you are tired and smiling, so you can cook. Because the mood is there. You have the best emotions of you are tired, but you. Oh, guy.
Uyenze i-breakfast in bed. Fanele kumenzele umuntu i-breakfast in bed njalo.
Ukhathaza
i-breakfast in bed.
Ngamenze i-breakfast in bed yozana i-sitting room.
Wena umshiyelane kamereni.
Sorry, nje yabangilandela.
Hayi amantombazana
Ujolela bakuthatha.
No.
Akazwela kukhonela.
wait.
Akazwela kukhonela. Sodlula yithi.
Ibatali ukhathisa. Chaza. Ulale kanjani ukukhondela?
Ukhona my friend eThekwini.
Hayi baba ayike kasizange ibone my friend wetheke.
Yazi uthi kule ngwamanguleko. Ngithi baba Sumandla. Siyacela nathi samajide South Africa. Oh my friend weThekwini. Ke sizwe ukuthi konjani ukulala econtinent sifuthi sinuka nathi o Revlon or what bathi omarones. Wena ngistabe. Ukubeka basipophaze kusenda ku content.
Uphumele lesipho ekseni.
Yeah man. Ukuthi umuntu athi ngifuna umthetho nemoto bese uyambuza ukuthi ubaba ubeka nayo imoto. Naye sekabuza ukuthi mhlawumbe uma wabeka nama hips. I think sometimes it's good to go for what we have. Not ukuthi whether you forgot you have nothing, then you want something elala. Bakuze ukuthi imphuzane imafika clubbing. I think I started. How much is that? Ha. I was the price. It means you have never bought it yourself. You can't afford it. Uchele when afford the clubbing sibona ngokugqoka futhi imali.
Yeah. Pass.
Wow.
Shiwe womntu. Afaka ujakisi enkulu akafaka ujini omkhulu afaka amabhutsu akafaka isigqoko eswithi afika ithi. Fef. Ayizeke. But those wise who don't have money come straight to my sister. They will be hard-dressed. Yes. Because if mentality of people are going to get a cabin, where you go half-dressed or off naked, you know, but so get a man. What's that? Shower Fetches Number 9, welcome to the Creative Chronicles, where conversation meets, where creativity meets conversation. My friends here engage, but it does like a phantom parents. But I'm trying. Hey, again, play way to my way to kona la sabambe ke khona ngoba nina bona ukuthi last nami ngiyengasukuphuma ngangabibikho khona izinto bese iphuthuma so namhlanje kodwa hayi ikhona insizwa embambele la Mickey Child angazi ukuthi why it's a Mickey Child wasiya
Ngoba ngisesende dog.
Oh
yeah 2 of 3
but
ngisesiphakathini.
Why are you on this side now? Let's
Snake guest in line the beautiful guest.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my god.
Is she
goodness indeed.
Is she
Oh my goodness indeed.
Is she beautiful?
Gorgeous.
Are you beautiful?
Oh yes.
Do you believe in yourself?
Yes, I do. Thank you for compliment.
It's my pleasure.
Because ingazi basesikhona la sithi we don't sugarcoat into sisho njengoba injalo sibonge futhi nabantu sisebenzisana nabo emkhathini productions and new Brit Empire Agency Flower Child ne So Therapeutic ngisho kahle ne
We should siyabonga bafethu njengoba nemazi umkhathini igama like umkhathini isulu asisona isilungu so asimangali womehlulo isilungu asimangali umkhathini igama obezama ukulesho yiso therapeutic productions bafethu
So Therapeutic.
yeah so therapeutic
Hi bro.
Therapeutic.
That's deep.
Can you say it?
No, I can't.
Try. It's like you're innate. You have to be one of those. One of those. No. One of those.
Fanele ube ulonto screen kahle futhi uyisho kahle.
Fanele singizwa ngamachain. Ngizwa ikipa.
Msindo ikipa. Wewe usindi iba. Mina screen. Mina ngimuscreen light. Ngida kodwa ngikhola.
Oh,
ngiyafika.
Oh.
Yeah.
Isimnandi conversation sesikhonjana introduce i-guest yethu. We have an amazing beautiful lady namhlanje ekhaya lana sivakashele kwi-episode yethu yanamhlanje is episode 11, right?
Yeah, episode 11 actually.
Episode 11 osivakashele igama lakhe uKeletso. She's doing amazing. She's a makeup artist. She's also a background artist. Young artist. And also, she when she's bored at home, she takes some bums and breasts, post it online for guys to.
Are you doing for real now? Yeah. Please. I collect.
What was it?
No. I collect.
Okay, it's a conversation
No,
we had.
I'm
So she told me, well, I know she has been taking some bums and breasts to post on Instagram for guys to like, you know.
All I'm saying is share a link. I'm asking for a friend.
Yeah,
Just share a link. I'm asking for a friend. Just share the link. Yeah.
Share the link.
Just ask
guys, I'm sure all of you guys there, you wanna see some bums. You know, like that. She's well dressed today because she's coming here to shoot with some big cameras and lights. But when she's using the iPhone, she doesn't like to dress. I think the air conditioning, yeah, they are in Africa.
Yeah, she's.
It
understand.
requires her to always be half naked, you know.
Lana is cold anyway.
So that's why she's half dressed.
Yes, I'm like, please.
That's it.
Hi guys, I go by the name of Keletso from the Nelton. Yeah, Kalale Jobek. Kina makeup artist. Yeah. I know.
That picture is so that.
Which one?
Which one?
Which one?
Which one? Oh, okay.
She remember. She remembers. She knows. Yeah, she knows. So that's why she does when she's bored. But today she's not bored. That's why she's stressed. Yeah. If she get bored now, let's bore her. Then if you want to see when she gets bored, she undresses to relieve herself. And then when she's here, she dresses. So she undressing makes her happy.
Oh.
When Maradona piece no, how?
Is it another one for swimming way?
Yeah.
Actually, see that one. I saw the other one.
Which one? Because you want to get posted.
So it's amazing to see me now like I
Thank you very much. Even though I'm nervous.
Why are you nervous?
Yo, let's go send the bonnet.
I believe maybe
I'm shy.
Are you shy? Like so are you shy here?
I'm shy here.
When you are two, you're not shy.
No.
Okay, let's try. To be two, that's like. I wanna see.
Hey, Bob.
You want to see what?
How shy she is when we are two. Yeah, I would come.
I'm shy.
Yeah, he's being in bonus.
Shy-ish.
So, can you just brief us more about yourself? Don't tell us you have two kids and baby daddy, one of them died in a car accident.
Okay, for that one I don't have. I'm
Tell us more what you say.
Childless.
Childless.
Where my goodness, where am I gonna start?
I'm a girl, I'm always broke.
And I'm always broke. Vele, I'm always broke.
Send a donation for her. She's always broke. On my account. Why? I'm keeping it safe, and I will reinvest it. Reinvest it, and then I'll send it. I'll send it.
It's in your account. Yeah, it's no shit.
Capitate down apart.
I don't want to tell you.
Yeah.
Show me a maybe not tell you potential, Evan.
Yeah, I'm sure. Very singy, look like Malang, and the weather.
Do you have a kid?
No, I don't have a kid.
We don't have.
We don't have kids.
It's those more percent phones which they have in infrared, not Bluetooth.
Infrared?
Yeah. Do you know there's something called infrared? We used to send songs with it.
Bro, I'm not that old. I am not that old, my guy. I'm not that old. I'm not that old.
Okay, that's okay. I was telling you more, guys.
I'm a makeup artist. I'm from Denel 10, and the background actor. That's okay. Yeah.
So you can make me look more handsome.
Yes, I can.
Okay, so on my face, what can you improve? On my face, what can you improve? Ngenjebe, mari ngenjebe yami. Yini ngenjebe yami?
How? I must start.
Ngenjebe yami ke.
Ngifaka powder kancane ukuthi
Usually make up. I remember we were shooting this. What were we shooting?
Yeah.
Who's that?
Zaraka, this is Panana. I want to make up. That's high. I mean the wrong skin. No, I made to make up products of my sets. That's all I say. Just that you would imagine we are still, but this time goes by, we're gonna have makeup artist like I just make up in the market state. Maybe if you are like possessing money, you're gonna get the job, maybe you're not gonna get the job. Could not depend on at that time. A relationship is the scenario, how is it? Because sometimes you go for me to okay, you need to understand that but sometimes in Naming is a weather. Banging umvalele ngaphandle masengina something uzokuyeka. Yabo. Mina futhi ngiyabona ngeke. But cha singawo mina ngihost.
Ngiyabuza.
I try to act. Like they say I act, but I try to act. Like,
he's lying. He is an actor. He's an actor. Good one. Ikhona enye scene owayenzayo bedroom scene. Ungene bedden. Ubengasakhona ukuphuma. Ubengasakhona ukuphuma. Besokula. Engasakhona ukuphuma ebedden.
Hayibo.
Nginayo i-BTS bed. Nginayo still ingikhona i-BTS. Ubengasakhona ukuphuma ebedden.
Kunalento lokusiwa yini ipoti wathi ipoli double yini yokusi.
Ibingasiyona ipoli double. Ibingasiyona. I was there. I witnessed it.
I was not there. But sometimes you would think which I'm there while I'm not there. so confused, man. What's with the thing?
These two guys, yeah.
Confused. Okay. We say we make up artist. We extra. Not extra background extra. We extra. So you just there's an extra. So there's an extra. You just want your class, then you back could not.
Yeah. The film that was half.
How was the experience? Can you tell us more? How was
You're not a sharp.
I'm pretty job writing.
No, you could.
Why? So how's the experience of buying extra?
So far so good. Ngiyethanda very acting. So, sometimes I feel like background how but last time narira yako club there's no music. Man, set dance. Ukuthi stanza kan I don't know, but
let's dance.
Yo.
It's okay. Go. Dance.
Ay, mina ngahleka ngibona ngathi siyahlanya la ay
But it's not there as ukuthi ukujwayele acting as an extra uhleke ubathesise yabo ube right. So alright, siqoke ngiyindingile kumana treatment. How is the food call time? Is it too much early? Ukudla ku rice treatment yana.
Ukudla ne. Zona dishapo sometimes.
Nidla
Ekseni amaqanda amaningi shapo.
Power to the eggs.
I am a tanda on a shem.
I'm getting these rules are now.
Yo, not that. Have a very busy. Regula Matanda. I shem. Yeah, my treatment on a shop. Even though teachers are taking here at lunch, but Valela. So.
Phela nelubambise wazi ukuthi usazwe endlini ungadleli engathi awusadle endlini. Serious bese. Mana nechele ngivakashele. Ngivakashele outside ungafiki nawe nje ukuthi attack isali ngasenakho ukudla kokudla. Yeah, no eat. Limit.
Why?
Going home to eat.
awuzohamba endlini udle nje.
Nomntana phezulu.
Okay, ngihlala ngiyi-1. What if you
Koku. Your pot.
Ngifike ngipheke.
Yeah,
Oy,
Khathazwa yini?
Nguwe. Indoda.
Indoda yakhathaza. Uthi ufuna ngiyuzela kwazi ngiyakhathaza.
Kahle kahle
Sometimes ngikhathala when I get tired.
ukuthi ukhathaza in a nice way. If you understand what I mean.
Yes, my God.
If you understand what I mean, ukhathaza in a nice way.
So now you are tired and smiling, so you can cook. Because the mood is there. You have the best emotions of you are tired, but you have. Oh my God.
Uyenze i-breakfast in bed. Fanele umenzele umuntu i-breakfast in bed njalo. Umkhathaze umenzele i-breakfast in bed.
Mina ngamenzela i-breakfast in bed yozana i-sitting room.
Wena umshiyelane kamereni.
Sawulande yami wangilandela.
Hayi amantombazana disappointed.
Kimtirira breakfast in bed. Uzana is dining. What's going on? It's fine. I understand. Yeah, I understand. You know. Yazi kuna something oyenzela umuntu ne. I twisted, ayiboni rise ngendlela enza ngayo enewena manje so unqina ukumdisappoint ukuthi hayi phela into bengikho kanje. So manje. So hamba ne flow kodwa ke wena sewudown. Yabo, le ntwana nami ngeke ngaflow.
Tune in.
Yo, I will never forget that day. First time I entered KFC, my brother, Pelotinas couldn't sing I was at my KFC, sit at my chicken dust. So, manje, KFC, anganalokela be-KFC bengathudalanyana bengiyithanda lezi zinto.
Hayi bo.
Instandela na.
Ngiyakujudge.
Awungamjudge.
Kuthiwani we don't judge with drinking and
We drink, we don't judge.
Njalo ngingene lapha eKFC angibuze ukuthi ngifunani umabhebeza ngombuka lapha maniflator ngiboni ngikhethe nje ngiboni nayibheka ngiyazela ibheka sithi nathi nama-pie seats wathi phela sinokuyibona egwinya leshayina egwinya
Yeah.
bathi umkhulu hayi thatha ibheka ne-drink shuthi kuringi ifoni before masiqala nasi isituro ivaliwe le situro zingenaphi hayi logeni manje ngilindele phezulu akavuli phela akafaki nesituro angazuzela mina sekulethi ngavula mina phezulu kwaringi ifoni ngashiya ngaphuma mangijika ugeli sekangilungisele wabuya fast umqondo ngakhipha ngathi yena mfethu ayinazi i-acid angithandi mfethu I'm flowing mfana ngazi nix and I'm sure my sisakhumbula ezobuka le podcast uzokhumbula lapho James asizamele ukuthasa abantwana bethu sibafundisa amathephu for 2 besakhula sibafundisa ukuthi baphumile izinto because bra like seriously
chopsticks.
Even like the day I tried back then, I was not gonna flop. But then at least imagine very la umqondo washesha ugijima zami phela. Eduloke uzombamuthi. Number 1, ayinamali isuke ekasi nemali yokusuka ekasi kuphela. I remember tax was 7 rand. So I only had 10 rand. From that kumele ugele athenge KFC sidle sibe mnandi yaphinde futhi athenge iphuzo angigibeze ngibele ngoba ngayile pocket money.
You've been through a lot.
Yo,
You've been through a lot.
I'm not going through a lot, but now I'm coming.
You're coming from
I'm coming from a lot, bro. Like I'm coming. Yeah, bro.
You're coming from a lot.
Bro, but I think this kakhulu Jaya. I remember also I met a when I got to miss some WhatsApp group. I'm sorry. Yeah, so in the WhatsApp group, I met a girl there. So I told her, "Phela from a group usithatha private, decided ukuthi siyavakashelana ke manje, basangize lapha eCrest. Anginayo futhi. Yamtshela phela bese ngidambala siboleka. Zaboleka kufika nami big me wanting the new Gucci bra yabo.
Ngizoyiboleka nami.
Ngaboleka imali engifikise eCrest 20 rand. Ngafika eCrest. Fode ukela asabheke phone. Phezulu phone WhatsApp yakubluthi. Akumazi ugeni. Mangithi wadlula ugelo ofana naye phambi kwami. Hayi nawo ngamlinda mayiphuma esitola mfethu. Athi hayi phone ngishile ngifunana nawe wala ngathi okay. Ayona sasugeli. Kanti ugelo uhlala app.
Yawuthi yona ngivula robeseni.
Ayeke mina lento lena manje angiyirate lento lena ngithola masenganjiswa kwelinye idlala lakasisi wakhe sokuyakhuluma ukuthi hayi sona sophuma maleli ugela umnandi la asuthiwa afungutla kodwa kwemnandi kuphuze bayolala kahle kahlala 2 days indoda yakibona yabona lapha angifuna ukubuza ngikadumzila
Uyafona ukujida wena umdleli intombi.
angifuna ukubuza ngithola lento engitholayo kuya odwa ngiyadla ngiyaphoza ayiphosi ngaphelele into phela nginamali ukubheka ngemsebenzini angabuyela ngimnandi
Umdleli intombi. Hey.
bravo
Ya risk of
life uyabona ikwayilo
match ya.
but I didn't know at that time ngithi ngithola sengaphakathi lento lena ngisengalapha ya manje akusenzi ukuthi ngihambe phela mase ngiyilawula mina ngizokha from eCrest to ngithosa mama. Akugibele from Cresta to Ejozi. Mafika Ejozi ngashiya ifoni efethi ngaphuma ngihamba 3 hours yonke. Shila ifoni ngamabo. Sema ngibuya yena mthothi sekadubile vele lawa ha. Angibloka kanjalo kwakuphela kanjalo ngiyaxolisa Pepikele but two can play that game. You direct it, then I won the first round and I won the second round. Yabo. Because then I went to Doma and I said, you look back at you now, I don't get it, but I also buy zero better. And I said, I went to Mako. That's it. Do you know that time when it's up?
When it's up, it's up.
When it's up.
When it's up, it's up.
It's up. It's up. Yeah. So when I want to use something for love or for it. Even to travel like uzusession father like yo angimanga umjulius for the first time imadam ayikho enough but yo mama ngibona ngiyafuna uke wayabo you went to yours
cool saleka catch the feelings
Online? Yo,
what's up
angmazi
Ozakumbona.
ngimthanda kabi namanje ngisamthanda yo
Nabaje.
namanje angmazi
oh kutoka bazi
yo bra
whatever you can naphetela
no
ngawe
besikhuluma ngama-video call singimazele efonini
Misendelana libam.
Yeah,
yo uyangazi plus mina
Yo.
unpost man
I think it's me.
Nakarani.
Okay. Kubera. So we did the online guy. So did you
Like
meet?
when
I wasn't done. Where is it?
Okay. Nerinali. Like finally as a year, with bank, when Saturday with bank. Okay, I disappear. How? And some told Nimlindi. What is all yes, essentially? Nimlindi. Umunting next. If for 9 years, it was Friday. Yeah, Friday.
When you began to go out, or book,
Not on that.
or glad, or began drive.
Angazi ukuthi ngiyadrive ndoda umuntu adisappeara next angimtholi Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Tuesday ngathola i-message from ubhuti wakhe uthi ubhuti wakhe i-boyfriend yakho ethi accident hospital u-ICU. I was like yo
He's gonna die before he makes it.
yo
Walla!
And ukhona
Yeah,
manje phone.
I even posted, bruh.
So you want to wait. How did you get there? How did you end up? So you went to the stage of posting each other, posting the guy, my lad, the love of my life, changing me.
This post ile
Ukala?
Yeah, Nkala.
Kala mjomba man.
Oy, you
I was
understand.
crying.
Understand. Because for what's the kanjani ukhala? We shoot the video, we
Ngithathe
edit
video.
and then we post it. Ukhala.
Yes.
Hayi.
Benkhala yabantu. Hi. Ngathatha ifone, ngathi video. Ngapost TikTok. Sasekhona namanje.
So the guy very big extending and then no.
I don't know.
What you gonna grab this like he was busy, eh? Just what did Samantha pass down say? It was a weekend as I was continuing.
So guy utara 3 months go hospital.
Hospital.
ICU utari 2 weeks.
So when you come on videos in hospital,
No.
you never spoke on videos when you was in hospital. You
Just
never
call,
saw it.
only.
no pictures. Nothing.
How
Oh, what about who scared me?
guys, lo muntu
Yeah, she was-
ubuyile ne ubuyile adisappear futhi lo muntu guys and ngiyamthanda sham
Iyona inkinga leyo.
Ungitshela ukuthi yena akasahlale la akasabuyi useMozambique. Tata yami.
Mama.
Yo. Uyabona?
Rahafa ne awakiguli.
Olo
Bengowa before.
yini bekwenza ukuthi umthanda
I don't know, guys. I'm ngisendele kayi-1.
Malini?
3,000.
Hey.
Yes.
Hey. Rito.
Okay, yana.
Yeah, ne?
Guys, ugayile yo. Shame.
Hayi mangiphuza yini.
Mina imali sengayiskema amantombazane 150. 100 rand.
Yeah.
100 rand ubaby mama wamanskema 100 rand. Mama ngeke. U50 rand ngasikenya ngenye intombazane. Cabanga lesa siphuma mfana ngafuna ukuzosethi nomntana ngambona wathi yabo ngamthanda ya ubeka njenga nganje naye in the show shooting bombs also.
Hello mntaka
Bro, ngimsende 50 rand ukusagibela zeJozi yabo ngimthathe ngimise salon. Angithola ngisane studio la ngasemthela YouTube Distributors. So kumele stand ngimnandi ngimise salon yabona bese ngiyamkhipha. Kasene 50 rand wa disappear kanjalo lo mntana lo. Ngo 50 rand.
50 rand.
Imagine. Then ube mama masena akanamali ukuthi alethe umntwana ngase ngirequestera athi uncomfortable yabo. Ngathi okay ukufaka 100 rand ke sohlangane eMoyo. Ngomfakela 100 rand kumele ngiyothenga ingane impahla za 3,000. Naye wa disappear babe. 100 rand. So very I'm not comfortable sending anyone money.
Mina amantombazane sengidlile imali nami ayingeke.
Awona uyabonakala ukuthi uyabheja.
Awukho
Mina.
Wena.
Oh,
okay. Unothando ne? True love.
Yazi mina I'm a hopeless romantic. I'm a hopeless romantic.
Mina vela angizwanga nokuthi ngithenga nizama ukuza ngaphezulu.
Ni romantic nginothando ngathi.
So hopeless.
Oh hopeless angikwazi ukutranslate. What do hopeless?
Ngale beyithemba ngithi.
Hey mara nawe ngathi na.
Cha phela manje understand hopeless romantic like angisenalo ithemba kwezo romance.
Kusho ukuthi ngi romantic kakhulu. Kakhulu.
Isingisi naso
Isingisi ukwazi ukuthi translate straight to isiZulu. Imagine ngingasho manje calm down iyehla phansi yabona. It's not the same.
Yeah, ihlaphazi mangabe umuntu ngidisturb sakhe lapha eseflating ngithi calm down yehla phansi.
Hayi calm down ngisho ukuthi iyehla umoya futhi. Bring down yeah. We translate straight break down awukwazi ukuthi translate
uthi ngalezi samanje carry yourself off me. I will carry you out of my car myself.
Ayoji,
I will bring yourself out of my car. Alright. You wanna please you have to pass that stage.
Wait, no. No.
ibadala ukhathisa chaza unale kanjani ukucontain
Call my friend and say
Unabaga ingeke azange ngibone my friend wetheke
yazi uthi unkulunkulu kwamanguleke ngithi baba Sumanda siyacela nathi samajide South Africa my friend wetheke ke sizwe ukuthi kunjani ukulala econtainer sivuke sinuka nathi o Revlon o Rolf bathini o Marones la ngistambe Uphumela masikopazi ekuseni namukhonteni.
Uphume nesiko ekuseni.
Yeah, man. Bathi ngatomafeni bamantombazane.
Abekho.
Hayi.
Ukhona omunye engambona eGarden State. Wet Tanzania. Asemuhle. Asemuhle.
Noma uphume endlini uze emsebenzini.
Ube great. Ube muhle lo.
Ngifuna na.
If I had a chance, yes. Baba ube muhle yini angeke angimazi. Ngihambe dawo phansi. So ngimbone once. Ube muhle yena kodwa ayingeke ube kanje. Yabona kanje be understand.
Vast plan.
Kanje
ngathi ugeneral. Ngibona ugeneral osilenda kanje. I think khona amanye amagama mfethu angahlali nje emuntwini. Uzigama general mkhankaseli bethi mufika la
uHotman
lenzo ufaka ugeneral.
Ave.
Ya ugeneral ngakinteka mfethu. Diphoskhulumo. Izayi. Ugeneral. La le phansi. Yadala general. Okay, so mfethu ngisakuze ama-crazy moments yabona. Esayithanda izinto e-crazy phela sifuna ukwazi yabo. Khulele nempumelelo.
Ngikhulele Mamelodi.
Emamelodi. Emam Square. Bengilapha eMelodi. Emam Square lapho. I think it was on Tuesday. Yeah, woo! Why bengena nje something engayishiya kudala. Kunale ngoma le ethi sawubona sithanda sami sakudala. Athi khona into yasala mhla uhamba ike ukuthi akwazi ukucula ayithi buyisa so ukhulela phe Mamelodi so was Pitoli
Ngiyamikisa shami nelamoja
love ja okay
Sentwane local Tswana
enjani too dim
no
too light
light
like that line is light exactly out you see it's light and then so I got to say my light as a spy show potujani siyabonga ukubona we studio why undumiso wakamncubelo insizwa nje sapotsa kakhulu awuthanda umsebenzi wethu hayi afuthi uyiphethe kahle unemama lakhe nemama lakhe Cheraki ya jima ayijimi insimbi ijima
boxing.
yaso manje mangimbuza umama ukuthi manje ujime yani uthi self defense over who because wena nomjito wakho both of you are females.
Njani
He is a male but he's a spirit of a female. He's a male. He's too soft.
Mshayi Hotman, uyakujwayela mshayi.
Awushayela. Wena
Mshayi Hotman.
Mina ngishaya.
baba sitibiyana
And Cheraki Cheraki Jimmy Bagel.
Uyakushaya wena
Uzobunani.
Ya ngizokushaya yazi. Uyishaya.
Well, so you are shy out.
Yes. Yeah.
No. One slap.
Don't say. Also, I you started the fight. So you have that demon of beating guys.
No, Shani.
How many guys have you slept? One. So it was him who had the bed luck.
Maybe. What the like
Oh, are you still with him?
You doubted
the bastard!
Yes, that is down.
I'm Pumila way. I know
Is that time message to your ex?
Message to your ex.
Which is that guy? Come close. Huh? Actually, kick train.
Yo.
Ah, shit.
When
Actually, what was the, you know the word? He was a check. usilanda ngomjita
khona around khona.
Night was.
No.
Why? You are fast. Nindawa la azam.
6,000. Pretoria.
Pretoria.
Petrol in your gate.
The new year petrol.
And what? Oh, like whenever you go for those ones who are driving, that's why they started scaling you online. On Hana Diamond One Drive or Coco. Uchi was a Mozambique. Are you sure what the guy is for real? What's if
No, guy go have a couple of quality.
What's your Mozambique question? I don't think I show the Mozambique was so poor and I want to die. So
no.
I was scamming.
Yeah, the guy he tried twice. No, when you take me for.
When I'm scamming.
Actually, they those are my posts.
This scamming when you 3K and I was telling you.
So that the 3K value I'm going to say matter of one shot with that no ganyan.
And then I promise you, Nyana,
now, 110.
So you were loyal and honest at that time?
I want to get loyal.
Oh, you loyal? So how many times have you cheated in your relationships? How many times have you cheated in your relationships? Every relationship you had to cheat.
It's all cheat.
You cheated. Even the current one you're cheating.
Yes.
I get John no keep his job.
Oh, it is joy.
I'll show you tell much in there. We'll take them out in 9 miles. I'll show you tell much.
And I'm going to get 50 rand.
I mean, yeah.
No. Yeah. That's a good thing. I had another relationship which ended after starting.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Card above.
Ngahlangana nogeli ngam-approacha yabo saqala ukuchat amasohlangana for the second time ngithola before siya endlini yeah obviously siyapi I don't take them out, I take them in.
Anihamba ngendlini.
Asifika relationship ended. Yeah, like so angazi nami ukuthi what they ask him bro like so why did you break up with your ex? So they go ngisho imali. At that time.
Guma when uhambe endlini uqale and then uzumbuzo after that.
No, ngavela ngamtshela ngathi manje ngishuthi phela ngabuza ngathi ngifuna imali. Ngathi ya ngathi somavashe umjida how much do you expect? But at least if ngabe ngingena ngoma 700 500. That's okay. Ngamjisa sama taxi. Ngizela ngathi ngomnikeza 50 rand. Ngakibeleka. I can't give you more than 50 rand.
Why?
Sport. You call it taxi 70 rand. It takes a result, take the rand, so at least I can give you 60 rand.
You understand it? Yeah. You understand it?
Because
thank you.
Yeah, no.
So when I fell, girlfriend allowance.
in there. The way that is clean, the little forgot. What's your girlfriend allowance? We are much girlfriend allowance. You are much
Nyamazi ukhona ke wangu ozawona ukuthi una girlfriend allowance ngathi
yebo lo ngaba ngiyazi
hey nama ngiyazi
Lo washo nakudala singayo.
seyashona le yaseMozambique
Yo.
yabona mfethu like yazi kunenye into leseningayinaki mina ezabogeli mfethu that we as amajita we can say then sense ngibone sinakitaliate manje senifaka omabethu masimbuza ukuthi wena uthi ufuna imali. We are getting robbed, guys. We are getting robbed. Ukuthi umuntu athi ngifuna umtshito nemoto bese uyambuza ukuthi ubaba wakho bekanayo imoto naye sekabuza ukuthi mhlawumbe uma wakho bekanayo ama-hips. You understand? Like, I think sometimes it's cherry. It's good to go for what you have. Not to whether you forgot you have nothing, then you want something elana. Bakuze ukuthi uphuzani mawufika eklabini uthi I drink ice trapeze. How much is ice trapeze? The price. It means you have never bought it yourself. You can't afford it.
Ama-out inkinga. Ngiyakutshela mina ama-out inkinga. Inkinga nina ni-entertainer amantombazana nama-standards ahigh. Nina wenelana. Awungeke umu-entertain umuntu kanjalo. Mina ngiyeke umu-entertain.
Le ntombazana inama-standards ahigh eklabini. Background ama-standards wakhe alo. Mina asami ngicabanga ukuthi most mhlawumbe abantu ababhaya bayangazi. Mina I don't hide mina mfethu indlela engiyona. Lokho kubonayo ubona ama-movies wami ngapostile. It's what I do. Ubona i-podcast ngipostile. It's what I do. Uyangithola. If ungibona ngipostile with maybe a big guy and a celebrity, it's not ukuthi senze ubungani. Cha, siyasipana. Like angibenzi ubungani nabantu. Nginamajita enginayo, understand? Engikhule nawo, wangikhulanga nawo kodwa siphile sonke. Noma kuthiwa sengenza ini nani still ngiphila nawo angiphili nanawo uthesihlazo yini ngibuye emajite nawo. Understand? And ngifuna phela leyo life njalo noma kuthiwa ngaphumelela kanjani ngihlezi ngisemajite na miss ngiyeli ndale yabo yasazi standards zami yazi level yami nogele ngimfuna ngiyamazi futhi ke mina akekho ugele ongangitshela awungitshele la because bonke abogeli most awanamali. They are broke.
Yeah.
Khona nemali.
Bakhona abayi-afford. Utshele bayi-afford eklabini sibona ngokugqoka fudumali.
Yeah.
Basi.
Wow.
Shiwe womqoqo. Afaka ijakisi enkulu engaka, afaka ujini omkhulu, afaka amabhutsu angaka, afaka lesigqoko esithi afika ithi Fef. Ayizekele. But those ones who don't have money come straight to my sister.
And imagine with example.
Those ones who don't have money, they will be hard-dressed.
Tantalizing.
Yes. Because i-mentality yomjita mangabe ngingene eklabhini wena ugqoke half-dressed or half-naked nyana yabo bese ungena mana lapho mntana. What's that about something? No, what's that? Yeah, what's about something? What's a good example now? What's that? Get that out.
Keep it low.
Yeah. Funa babonenga. Uma keep it go. Let's go.
Let's go. Let's find
Share.
Example. Example.
Example. Yabo. So umela. I'm
Breathe in your hand, sis.
Alright, okay. Then, yeah, ima so. I want to tell you what when's the example of my name? Rice. Name. My cooking 50-50. It's either she can afford herself or ukatumsi. You understand?
She's not.
So mangena namuna ngumjita ngibheka lo ngaqoka vele ngiyayi 90% of hitting.
Nayi wodwa nayi 50-50 nje.
Yeah. No, we talk about outfits.
Yeah, you
Outfit campaign. You got Julius Malema.
Malema nje.
He's going to be a president.
Yeah. Ngiyisibanye marketing.
So mangena phezulu benzasho lento ukuthi ugeli oyithengela simbona ukuthi aqoka futhi imali ne. Dola ongayithengeli akaqoka.
Ngashisa.
Yabo. Noma kushiswa uyambona phezulu ethengela phezulu uzoyo. Ngathi ngithele into eningi ngoselatation.
Uthenge into eningi. Unenkinga endlini ngoba ngazi ukuthi unenkinga endlini ngendlela esha khona.
When do when it just down for my part,
Ngizoshaye short ithe.
so I like for utshwala mngala. Nayi black.
Is it black?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah,
Utshwala
short.
beshwele.
Oh, you found it?
Thatha. Uzuthathe. Uthuma ba. Phela siyazi ukuthi veza kamera. Awungempeza.
Yeah.
Agaba mathi ngithele kancane. Oh. Pheli.
Ayikho strong iweak.
I'm right, amazing, okay. So it's not going to make up some kind of see my coffee la por.
Yo, ngicela nini?
Ngeke uzolale voice note echeri yakho la lathi siyasebenza siyashuta.
Hawu.
Bafuna ungiscam.
Uqala sijo.
Bafuna ungiscam.
Bafuske bala 50 rand.
25 rand.
Khala nge-25 rand. Uyakhala?
Coffee.
Like, what is the first thing in Jabula Mauvuka Excel? Ula 25 rand. Only Saturday. Ula Luposa. You wake up with the 25 rand. What is the first time you think of? First thing you think of?
Coffee, baba.
Coffee. This one is a cheese ball. When I get general.
None.
Alcohol.
When I do.
Obvious.
When I Ula Luposa. Of Excel 25 rand. What is the first thing you think of around 25 rand Mauvuka?
Come on, scope, chief.
25 rand.
Yeah,
Tell I get playing with 25 rand. Man, sorry, play. He's about 250 rand. But now, I'm fighting against the poverty, guys. I cannot sleep without 200 rand cash on my pockets on a Saturday. I better not sleep. I not sleep. I stay the whole night if I don't give that man. Like today, I didn't sleep because I don't have it.
We are coming.
Yeah.
Yeah, coming.
And then normal
I will sleep until, so if today I don't get it, then I don't sleep. I want man. 21 man. Whether you want money, but you know what you can get money. Like the other show before zero, the good see Indombazana can go out today. It's until the opposite to April. In a shop, when we get this one shop, sniff, there is a black walls,
There's a chuff.
there is a chuff inside there.
Namakondo.
In two condoms, in Namakono Makona, and I was like, I could be like that. I was saying this was passenger, and you got like I was Spanish, my family, and your call. I couldn't say, oh shit, I couldn't. I got a walk over there now, and they put it by a pickup to go to Palace Santi. Or they can even recruit, they requested, hey, shit, she's hungry, number one. My figure. Bamkara yakhona agcine sekadlile sekuyena manje obiza utshwala ngathunini. She wake up 10,000 rich the next day again. Angabulalanga muntu, just 5 minutes or 2 minutes. That week after because imagine if you get living on cheater rights, the guy has a wife. You go into a hotel at 4, you're booking at 4. Right, the guy took the home at 5. He's going to hit only one run, which lasts 1 minute, 50 seconds.
Noodles.
Yeah.
And you won't know.
No, the microwave. We have a shower.
Yes.
Because I'm not going to sugar. You know, it's not that late almost. Am I lying? Is it that late?
No.
It's not that late because I can say this, but now I'm almost. I remember I was pushing something with some rich guys. Then the other guy was like, oh, Umfake ntwana vele lamajita lawa nemali lewaricha anemkhaba abakwazi ukwenza vele ashesha khathali.
Maravele.
Ithina ke thina abanye singenamali. 30
Yo.
minutes to an hour. 30
Yo,
minutes to an hour.
depressed.
That's why I was asking.
You enjoy yourself over. No, mina, I can say mina. Ngivukele gym. Hayi gym njami yakushaya stamina njami. Awu bamnandi la. Hayi gym. Gym is the way.
But the other thing is, as a budgeter, we have no respect. In Ergo, it can get hard when you don't have money, bro. When do you get time to think of ladies? Because we have to think of money. We have no rights.
Valid point.
We have no rights. You okay, this will eat now. That way it ate, it needs to be fed. Paper can.
Not every time.
But most of the time.
Now, here's the thing you're not understanding. If you like with the cherry and then every time. If you not,
Because
yeah. Mina.
Tiny package.
Yeah.
kanti angasiphelana to akuchela yazi ukuthi ngeke ngabona lesala clip ethi if it was a good motivation but if one woman managed to turn the world around yabo so angifuni ukuqhubeka ngayo so nina you know ukuthi you turn the world upside down.
They do though, they do.
Unucabanga ukuthi ubani wafaka umhlaba? Is it a cow it's a rain? Yeah, we respect you. You are man as we respect you. You cook for us. You brought us in this world, but you fucked up the world. Everything fucked it up. Everything's messed up, bro.
Because of Rena.
Yes.
It's because of the women you deal with in Khatib.
No. We are sikhuluma ngempande nganami. Ngempande la. Unina wabo bonke. So now,
because
we're gonna look at the right side. Of course, the right side is there, but the right side is young. None is young. Like, right? So,
keeping passion, man, you separate.
yeah, it's undressed. Too much. Okay, so singabaleki kakhulu wena Kenneth and then siselapho uzosixoxela ngawe inkinga nje nawo usithi kancane so kanti ngiyenze makeup
22.
how old were you?
22. Okay. 20, I think.
So you've done everything, you've done all.
20. Yeah.
You've done everything, you've done all. You went to the clubs, you grooved, you cheated,
So.
udlala abangani bakho amadoda.
Can never be.
So nakafika umngane wakho indoda?
No. Mina, umngane wami.
Kodwa ke wathi umngane wakho?
No.
Omjini. Intwana yakho.
Bengicela ukuba ngulonto umngane wakho nami.
Cela yiqala.
Umngane wakho nami.
Yabona la eMzansi. Lento kanje asibeke nicala. In South Africa.
Oh, ibancane. Nginawo female friend na. Umngane wami. Intwana yami.
Hayi.
Angeke ngimthinte. Never ngimthinte.
In South Africa city intwana yakho. Then in the USA we say
Female based.
no.
But
Fuck partners.
let's say skin sounds.
So it's because yabona intwana yami nentwana yami. How mntanami ayikhululeke stress free mntanami awukhululeke kukhanya ukhatha mntanami wasumthela ngenyini ezintwana mawutsozuke kwalo
yini angazathi ijwayele le
akunayo intwana yami kodwa angifuni
yini ngani ungazathi ijwayele
no angifuni mntanami kodwa uyazazi ngiyaqemana mina
mina ngicela ukuba yini intwana yakho mina
I like talking nasty, but I don't do it. Like, yo, bro, me, sex, I love fish, like, that's what I was saying before. It's like, a current situation, maybe current situation. No, young
When I'm not here last now.
test. There's a woman.
No, I have to message Awuli. They never wake up.
Somebody sound. Just only when I need the sound on.
Let me go and.
I have to message Awuli.
We need sound.
Connection.
Ungiyakubona? Mina lava not
I'm sending noodles.
Yabhora ama-noodles. Yini niyenzayo in 1 minute and 20 seconds? Fanele uqale i-foreplay kuqala. 8 minutes at least. And then the rest will follow up.
For play. Yeah. Okay.
I love this
Who
topic.
this question?
I love this.
What is it for? What is it for play?
Yeah.
I-foreplay is important. Awungeke uvele ufike la okay vula ngene. Wakafana.
Chikichakaza hiyo.
Iyakhonakala ukuthi
Sorry,
indoda
Yeah.
ichame before
Yes.
ingene before smash.
Yenzeke. Hey, khona I wouldn't know, but akhona mama out. I wouldn't know.
Yes, we experience it.
Yes.
Yes, we experience it.
There's something called the semen, right?
Yeah.
And so there's that before thing, like I don't know how to say it though.
It's pre-cum, dog.
Just
say it in.
Yeah, it's pre-cum. It's like even you like getting wet before sex. The same as male also have that thing as well.
Khona umehluko though.
Yes, we
that's right,
experience it.
It's getting wet.
ishande sakho ihlale ngendlela it's 18 and above ne ihlale ngendlela engekho right kwi-under bo lapha nibhizi nomama especially nalezi insizwe ezingenalijwa yabo so leya reflection leya mayisi then the moment uthola ukuthi mayikhipha ngesandla already la ilenza ngibe igobile kanje bekuzile kuvele ukuthi isidoda sakho yabo so iyenzeka dayile ngisipasi leyo nto ayisho ukuthi manje umdala loyana ubaba yabo mina relax phela yiyo le bathi
Pre-cum.
Pre-ejaculation or something, yeah. It's pre-cum. So it's the same as females. So they also have they like get wet before sex, I mean.
Yeah.
So also men have that thing as well.
How work is
So
It's my first time.
don't judge, guys.
it's my first
You
time
don't
I
judge.
passive
Participating. Umkhathini ulungile pha participating.
I mean, I can say when it comes to sexual conversation, you can say
iparticipate kuchopiki na mtani kwa kutasi
Anything else.
professional.
When you talk to
You
me,
know what happened?
So, okay, why is it dress up?
No,
Are you
that
down
I'm
to do
planning
it?
to.
You want to experience it?
I'm out of tune, Spanish.
No.
I'm out of tune.
Mina nentombazane out.
Yeah, I think that one makes sense. Like
Include. Yes, out.
when you are done, come to me. When you are done.
Wait.
Oh.
Oh,
Hey.
ungishaya
Bathemiseni.
Yes. No, like bengithola nalo geli lo yabo ngisahlala eKipu. Bengihlala nosisi wami yabo. So sihlala ebedroom eGroote nosisi wami then bekuyi wardrobe ifridge bese mina ngilala ngala esponjini yabo. Philo nje ebedini ngalapha. Ngidlala ngala bese emakhaya nosisi. So semakhaya ngisele ngiyiwani ngiyibona ithiki yami yaRambo Maseni lapha eKuntano mfethu. Ngizongibanda Maseni lathi showcase. Umusebeni ngempela athi ngisemaboneni ngeMoscow. Woza ngala. Ngizaphila nginamali athi ayikhuleka woza. Ngi-request ngingalana ngifake 50 rand lana just in case yabo emergency. Mangifika hleli nebhodlela nomngane wakhe bawu-2-0. Athi hayi ndoda ngithi mina ngifuna ubhiya qala ngizaphuza enekeni. Enekeni 3 ngishaye enekeni ngeke ngene ebhodlela ngibhekene insango yami. Yazi lento ngayisho joking. Ngithi kena phela amaswera niyazi ukuthi senze kwami. Athi ngithi ungana kuhlamba la insango nendlela ukuthi. Oh, ngiyadlala athi uyabheda wena. Siphume kulo topic. Masifika lapho uyazi phela eJozi vela ama security amabona ukuthi ungene ebusuku nabantu. Usingene masifika silale ebhedeni wodwa. Yabo ngabadede kwalela ngakasisi ngamesilale ngalanga. Ngivele iposition wami ukuthi ngifake istranger phela ngikwazi ukusipanisa abantu yabo. Singidle ngalana masingene embedeni vela ngiphuthume lo ngithuthi. Aw, yilokhaphuzela lo ngabhekela wena. Awukahle wena. Hayi phela ngithi ukuyilo phela uthi ungane wahlukumezeka. Masimene. Ngiyaze kakhulu wena amabomu manje. Lo ngale ngisho zisasha. Ngiyamuzwa. Okay. Thema ngidwa phela wathi ngisini. Babafaka amasho. Hayi kabla. Yebo.
Wasebenza.
Into engangiyikhathele kuseni ngiyathola ukuthi into engayenza. Ngavula umnyango bayiphumela. Kavela kalala nje day. Ene manje that was my girlfriend, that was umngane wakhe yabo. Umngane waqala ukumthetha. Ayiwathi mina nje watshela nomngane wakhe ukuthi no man ngibeke space 2. Kulo mjini. Yabo. Hayi ngiyabona ukuthi ayohlupha ke le. Bayeka yobezongqila phela nama ngazi ukuthi amadlozi nama yenze njani ukuthi anginikeze amandla. I have experienced that life, bro. As umchita,
I was close, but I wasn't able to. Who pulled out till last minute? Last minute.
Pull out, I love money. Hey, who's a murder? I was
Disappointed.
La pussy class wrong.
No, puza.
So when are you planning on doing it, Reza?
I don't know.
Anytime when you get a chance. Me not even get.
No.
Shoot another kid.
Me not even guy.
Ay.
It's this guy.
Okay. Alright.
Engeke.
Mfethu. Yabona obasilala namhlanje I know ukuthi lo mkhiqo lo uyayithanda izinto lezi eyithi uzi. Lezi saying ethi icheri yakho mike yasebenza eclubini ekusayidla wedwa.
True.
Mike yayi makeup artist ngekusayidla wedwa.
True. Entertainment space in general.
Ike yenza ama massage ngekusayidla wedwa.
True.
Mike yasebenza e-call center ngekusayidla wedwa.
True.
Mike yasebenza e-restaurant ngekusayidla wedwa.
True.
I can go as much as I can go. Especially now.
Entertainment space.
Yeah. Every set the evening. Nikeza ama-director ama-producer.
Vele.
Bese nathi sihambile phela lo tshwala lobo ushaya kancane phela ngokufika na. Yami.
Uzothenga mama so.
Move. Lo.
Mina, ngiyathenga ni.
ufuna imali ndoda, ufuna imavuso.
Ah, yeah, these days.
Kanti aningitshele le mali kahle le mali sinikweleta yona vele yani. Uyichaze le nto nasizwami ukuthi mangabe wena ulele kwabe kuseno expect ukuhamba nemali. Eyani leyo mali sinikweleta yona ngempela kahle kahle. Noma kuthiwa siyathandana I'm obliged sinikweleta sayithatha
Khathala.
Ukhathala.
mina ngikhathala
nje nawe.
wenzani wena ngoba ulele ubheke phezulu.
No, asilali sonke.
Nithi 1 2 3.
Asilali sonke.
Wena ushuthi bayisuka nawe
Yaphula le.
most of them
Siyasebenzisana.
umuntu uzumtshela ukuthi afiswa
Siyasebenzisana.
ngafiswa ayikahle umuntu uzumtshela omunye uthi uyamjikisa
Oh. Ah, yeah.
kodwa umthole online afake imask ubhizi usheka amabhaka.
Dependa. Mina if uyangibona vele.
So
Yenza
awuyazi mina ngizombuza.
and if awubeji ngeke ngiphefo.
Mina ngizombuza umuntu. Baba, sosibana la nawe yenza something.
Mara if vele uyayazi into yakho hayi mina nawe.
Angiyeke umuntu elale nje ayinesidumbu. Ekanye. Ukanye.
ingakho amajita simjolela asithakathiwe ngempela like I cannot spend i-Bolt money 200 rand ngikubholisela ngifike lapho ngithenga ham ngaspenda another 107 rand ngithenga lokho kudla lokho ngithenga nama 6 pack sibe mlandi ngize ngibhadale ne-Netflix ngalelo langa lelo.
Ngibhadala ngelanga elilodwa.
Yeah, ngibhadale ngalelo langa lelo. That's why I'm paying my Netflix lapho. Then wena uzonala 5 hours ukubheke phezulu umbhizi ngifenda ngeyi-1. Then expect ukuthi mina ngibe right. Fanele ngalandela nosisi wakho noma umncane wakho uma wakho nami nomzimba omncane ukuthi uyashayeka ngashaya naye futhi. Yeah, ngithundana kuthi imali yakho wala.
Yeah,
Mina wena bese ngakushela yabo mina eqondene ngakushela mina ungithobele kakhulu bengibona mina mfethu ukuthi uma wakho bethu umoja ngamshaya futhi bese father sakho ngayenza mina
Abazali misbehave.
ungiseve ungilethele ibreakfast ukubize ngithi kele tsamalaka uthi ngithi ngiyemba
Ngathi ngiyabona. Yo.
ngiyemba ngizoclosure la kwabo sokukwapho sekudedade into wayehlo washona kethi sokhona mina sokubeka ubakwapho ngiza besithathu
Makathini.
afonyo dadona best father but ezinye izinto nje abi like njengoba siphila empilweni you are not living when I grew up I want to be our dreams.
We are grown up already, some of us.
So ezinye izinto ziyayiqhamukela nje empilweni like ngicabanga ukuthi bakubuza wena esigele ukuthi what do you want to do when you grow up? But I want to be a podcaster. You know, say that.
Pilot.
I wanted to be a pilot. But yet again,
Pilot is police.
Father Nade, when I say Makula, Mabekubuza, did you ever say you want to be a stepfather? But you are a stepfather. That's another night.
When
Who's the father?
Multiple.
Like, yabo. That's nothing like when we come here and join souls, like you sleep today. Baba. You wake up tomorrow, you are still fat. You understand? So, vanilla life, brown.
when she looked for a makeup artist.
So, what happened?
Pilot.
So kahle lokho belimani buka nama TV lama black and white buzu ishaya kanje ukuthi isebenze
Ngizofly.
ngicabanga ukuthi ngizofly.
Yeah, ngizofly.
Unfortunately, life happened.
Life happens.
It never happened.
Mina brother, I wanted to be a good husband. That was my dream when I was growing up.
You not.
No, I'm not yet married. Like, but now I doubt I will get married because I have a son, Julie, my presence, Bandile, my son. So like I'm
How
blessed.
many kids do you have?
10.
The ones that I know.
Hey, when the soccer team, Oh, yeah, when the soccer team, Laza Massage.
Count.
Ngiyadlala just F2.
Two only.
Which was mina mfethu.
I'm the firstborn.
Uyakhanya
Ah,
ukuthi
Emnyama.
Emnyama, yabo. Eish.
Phela abo-generali mangabe kuthiwa ingosi inikeze i-homework kuthiwa please draw a thief mayefika ekasi umntwana ngene homework le ekasi lonke bathiwa draw a thief bahamba balandela bambeke laphaya bathi umntwana kamntwele general mayihamba naye esigela kusasa 10 out of 10 past
After isithombe, printing.
sizabantu ababhala ngama-homework le just i-appearance phela umngane wethu nolinde iy'mali zakhe
RF wena skills zakho umuhle yazi
phela nomjidaleno sondeze kuyena nomjida uzoba rich yabona manje utshwala ngisemina akaphuzi I don't mind because I'm investing there.
I don't drink alcohol.
ikhona RF
So umngane wethu imali zakhe mayingena njengabangani bakhe sizobe sikhona sobe sisila
yeah imali zethu
ya imali
imali
zethu
zethu
sobe sila eceleni kwakhe simsiza ukhona futhi omunye oshayiswe imoto nje guys we really appreciate you for ushayiswa imoto like nesicabangele yabo so we're gonna help you all the way ukuthi ni-register I think got a lawyer for size 3 ukulele lo muntu imoto I think got a lawyer for him I'm busy ukuthi athole a-register because uthi akayifunde imali but sine nje abangani bakhe
siyayifuna for yena
Yeah. Even singakunikeza nengxenye ngoba nazo ufikile.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can even give you 10k yabo. If ingene kahle. You understand? Now we're talking about money.
Wow.
Yeah, these are our friends. Right?
yeah I want
Let's bet.
Tell her over there. This is disturbing my peace.
No. Now you are going too far. But I think it's more importation. I want to take you.
Straight. Go. Without